Alright, so may mga nagtatanong sa akin na mga students, no? When is the best time daw to practice? Actually, this question is very, very subjective kung anong klaseng habits ang meron kayo or your productivity, no? So, pero it's basically you need to practice when you are most productive, no? So, yung mga taong productive sila in the morning, you practice in the morning. Yung mga taong productive sa gabi, you practice at night, no? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. But I'll give you some more tips on how I actually practice din, no? So, usually if you have lessons, no? So, let's say nagle-lesson ka regularly. Let's say you're a music student na, no? So, nagle-lesson ka regularly. Yung lesson mo is every, let's say, Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 11 or 12, no? So, let's say ganun yung oras ng lesson mo. I would structure my practices on the same time as my lesson. So, bakit ganun? Kasi, throughout the day, no, yung energy levels natin, nagbabago-bago yan. So, sa mga taong morning person, very energetic sila sa umaga. Yung mga night owls naman, 'di ba, sa gabi sila more energetic. So, ganun din sa pagle-lesson mo or practice. So, kailangan i-adapt mo yung katawan mo sa nararamdaman mo during those times. So, kung magle-lesson ka, you're preparing for lessons during your practice. So, try mo mag-practice within the same time period. Kasi, ano yung magiging reaction ng katawan mo? Ano yung energy levels mo? Ano yung magiging mindset mo ng ganong oras, 'di ba? So, para masanay ka, no? The same thing when you're preparing, let's say, for competitions or auditions, 'di ba? Alamin mo yung audition time, morning ba, gabi ba? Kasi iba-iba yung magiging takbo ng isip natin. Iba-iba yung level nga ng energy and also yung fatigue na magsiset in, 'di ba? So usually pag mas maaga, kung antuking ka sa umaga, kailangan i-adjust mo rin yung katawan mo. So iba-iba rin yung magiging reaction ng body natin. Iba-ibang klase ng kaba, 'di ba? So a late performance, let's say, would give you a different type of vibe, a different energy, and a different way of even thinking, 'di ba? So lahat yan nakaka-apekto. So if you are going to practice, at least schedule it in a time na kung kailan ka magpe-perform para alam mo kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, ano yung pakiramdam, ano yung feeling, ano yung mga dapat mong ginagawa din, no? So, katulad nun, kunwari, let's say, ang lesson ko would be Wednesday, 10 a.m. So, gutom ba ako? Papasok ako sa lesson? Or kakain muna ako? So, try it out, no? Sa practice mo pa lang, para alam mo na yung i-expect mo, no? Sasakit ba dyan mo? Or magugutom ka ba? Magkukulang ka ba sa energy after ng lesson mo? Hinang-hina ka na, you can't do anything. So yun, mapapractice yun, diba? So we want to set habits and also train our minds ano yung dapat na ginagawa mo during this time. So a practice time isn't just if you want to play. Yes, may times na ganun, but if you are really serious about something, you want to prepare yourself in the best way possible. So try to find the best time suited for you. Pati sa lessons mo nga, you know. So alamin mo, baka mas effective ka pala sa gabi, no? Or mas effective ka mag-lesson sa umaga, hindi mo lang pa nagtatry. So try to practice at different hours in the day, and then try to find out saan ka pinaka-productive and use that time in order for you to get better. So good luck and see you on the next one.